Every year, Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys gives away a free motorcycle as a member appreciation giveaway for our Riders Helping Riders Network.
So this year we're giving away a brand new Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST.
What's going on here? You make me feel this is the time to follow your dream.
Alright, so the lucky winner of this 2023 bike giveaway is Bob Ham.
We're out here at Daytona Beach Bike Week to deliver the winner his brand new Harley.
Hi, I'm Bobby. This is my brand new Harley-Davidson motorcycle I just won from Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorney.
It's all yours, Bobby. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yes. I couldn't believe it. It was just, never won nothing in my life.
Unreal.
Oh.
Till now.
Until now.
Yes, and it's so exciting.
Yes.
So exciting.
I'm a nervous wreck.
My heart's racing. Yeah, we still can't believe it.
I had a motorcycle accident first time I headed to Sturgis. The guys that was riding with, if it hadn't been for them, I don't know what I'd have done. They helped very much.
Well, it's wonderful to have somebody out there to actually help you if you need help.
Yes, it is wonderful to have people like that.
Yes, it is a lot.
And if anyone ever needed help, I would give them help. Thanks for volunteering.
Yes.
Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys booth to sign up for a Riders Helping Riders Network. Thanks for volunteering and good luck.
Congratulations, Bob!
Thank you, Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys.